Viewers, if you like my channel, then kindly subscribe to it and don't forget to press the bell icon button for receiving more and more updates regarding the tech related topics. So the name of today's topic is Python programming language. Before we move into that, let me tell you what are the types of languages we have and used in different fields. Although there are many languages such as C, C++, COBOL, Ruby, and Java, JavaScript, etc., etc., Python. So, among all of them, why is the Python being popular in nowadays? You want to know, huh? Because due to the advancement of artificial intelligence and machine learning concepts and even data science, we have to make sure the data that are produced in high levels. I mean, the data sets which are very big and huge data sets. We need to identify whether it is safe or not, whether it is not being hacked by third party users, or we have to see whether we have stored it in the right place in our system. So for all of those purpose, Python can do in one phase, such as protecting the data, analyzing the data, and manipulating the data, and etc., etc. So with the ease of Python, we can use whatever tasks we want. Like we can automate our business, and we can deal with related things with AI and ML, and even we can do simultaneous things with that. So the code has been already written for you in Python. You don't need to compile it again and again. I mean, write again and again. So it is already there. You just need to use the features to let it go. So, what is really Python programming language? Today, we are going to be learning about one of the most powerful and user beginner friendly programming language in the world, such as Python. Whether you are new to coding or just curious about it, the video will give you a solid overview in just 10 minutes. Python. What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. It was created by Judo von Rissum and released in the year 1991. Python's design philosophy focuses on code readability and simplicity. This means you can do more with less code. That's what it is. Means that Python has rich library. Means all the features are there. Whether user want to create the function of their own, they can definitely create it, or just use the functions provided by the Python. Also, they can use it. It's a no problem. It is a general purpose programming language. It is based on OOPS concept. That means you can use it for web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, game development. Game development in we have AR versus VR. AR in the sense means augmented reality. VR in the sense we have virtual reality and more. Why is the Python language being more popular? Here are some reasons why Python are more popular. It is easy to learn. Python syntax is easy as we compare to English grammar. Every beginner can write useful codes quickly. Free and open source. Anyone can use it. Cross platform. It works on Linux, Mac OS, Windows, or even your mobile phones. Massive community. Millions of developers use Python, so there are lots of tutorials and help online. And there are lots of libraries. Python has thousands of libraries for everything. For example, a few of them have been mentioned here. First one is NumPy and Pandas. NumPy is for numerical Python, whereas Pandas for data analysis. Django for web development, and Flask for web, and TensorFlow for machine learning, and SciPy for scientific Python, OpenCV for image processing, TensorFlow for machine learning, and Matplotlib for data visualization. Applications of Python. Python is used by companies like Google, Netflix, YouTube, Instagram, and NASA. Here, what Python is used for: web development, build websites using Django or Flask; data science, analyze big data with Pandas and NumPy. And there is one more thing: for handling with big data, you must also go with Hadoop and Power BI and Tableau. And machine learning, train AI models with TensorFlow or PyTorch. Automation, use Python to write scripts that save time. As we stated earlier, we can write our own script or even our own code. Game development, use libraries for like Pygame. Cyber security, Python helps in penetration testing and ethical hacking. So, so if we are using Python, means we have the awareness of how to stay safe online. And there are two main versions of Python. One is Python 2, which is very old, which is not nowadays used. And Python 3 is current and widely used. If you have any comments or views or any questions, you can just type it in the chat box below. I will be always be helpful for teaching you more and more regarding this topic. And beyond that, as we have promised that we will be discussing more and more tech related topics in the future, so it is helpful for me to engage with you guys with the top tech driven topics that are trendy today. Thank you, and never forget to press the bell icon. Bye.